So I got this. It's like, I think it's like ignition coil shield. It goes between the ignition coil and the wires, and of course the back of the turbo. And so it kind of sits like there, but on the bottom of all this, so I gotta take 4 screws out and then slide that in there. And also I think it came with some spaces right here. Let me see. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it or not, but I'm definitely going to see if I need to or not. I'm going to go ahead and take these 4 screws out real quick. I think it's a 10 for these 4 screws on the top. So that's how I want it to look like, just like that. So everything looks to be really good. Everything from the side, let me see. So now if you guys see that I got the turbo here, like I was saying, the ignition coil and the wires right here in the front. So from the turbo getting too hot, it won't affect the wires, because if it gets too hot, it can not work as properly because the heat is too hot, and it can make it fail, you know, over time. So that's going to prevent to get overheated. And possibly if I run really hot, you never know, it might just melt wires. I never seen it, you know. I heard if it's like too hot, you can possibly melt the wires, you know what I mean? So that's why I got that, because I know the turbo is real big. So that's why I wanted to have that in there. So it looks way better now. Really cool. And just like that, I got the shield put on. Like I said, the point of this is like the turbo, since I have a big turbo and the turbo gets so hot and all that heat, it comes towards the ignition coil and the wires. And like I said, I don't want to put stress on the wires because it can get really hot down here in this area. So that will block some of that and then just make the engine bay looks much cooler. So I like that, definitely that. And I definitely ordered this from I got it from DCR, and it wasn't expensive. I just wanted to get that done, and I also wanted to go ahead and put that out, because actually that was one of the first things I bought for the car. Actually, I think like the day that I got, I had it for a little while. Well, I had it for a couple weeks, and also so I took advantage and go ahead and install it, because I got the other stuff. It's like on back order, the stuff that I need to fix my boost leak. And if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, watch the video. I got some other stuff that I have installed. I'm just waiting for the part to come in so I can do that video and move on. But until then, I can do other videos. Make sure you guys tune in for all that. And just like that. So I would definitely like to thank all the subscribers that have been subscribing, all the comments, and definitely don't forget to stay tuned, because I got so much stuff going on. Like I said, it's just only gonna get better from here, you know what I mean? Thank you, everybody. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe.